Today, let's talk about Ulike's IPL hair removal device. You guys have no idea how excited I am when I received this device kasi I have been wanting to get my hands on one of this for so freaking long. And yun nga, today gawa natin siya ng parang initial review or first impressions. Meron tayong unboxing, tutorial how to use the product, things you need to know about IPL, yung mga basic info, and how they work. And of course, isi-share ko din sa inyo yung initial thoughts ko about this device. Ever since, isa na talaga kasi sa mga concerns ko is yung facial hair ko. I don't know, for some reason parang feeling ko hindi siya bagay sa akin and actually may iba pa. Second, hindi pantay yung tubo ng facial hair ko. Reason number 3 is of course because I do makeup videos and I feel like mas bagay sa akin kapag ka-clean yung face. Lastly, and yung pinaka-important, nagkakaroon ako ng acne specifically sa aking chin area and also around this part. There are so many ways to remove hair. We have traditional and also professional method. Both of them effective, but yung downside is that pagdating sa traditional, like yung shaving and waxing, it can be painful. Ingredients can cause damage to the skin. It's temporary and also it can grow out more. And then when it comes to beauty salons naman, of course, number 1, expensive. Second, time consuming kasi diba you have to travel pa. And also yung charge depends on the area na ipaparemove nyo yung hair. For those of you na hindi ganun ka-familiar or first time madinig si Ulike, I have a little background about the brand. This brand actually started in 2013 kaya medyo matagal na sila sa industry. And since then, yung focus na ng Ulike are home and beauty devices. And one of which is itong kanilang hair removal device. And this one is actually pretty popular. Top choice in China market for 6 years from 2016 to 2021. Top choice in Korea in 2021. Sold in 17 countries and collaborations with Sephora, Duty Free, CDFG, and other large beauty brands. This is how the box or packaging looks like. Absolutely stunning. I love it. Super clean and minimalist. By the way, this one is a removable sleeve. And let's open her up. Of course, we have a manual inside. This one contains all of the details that you need to know for using the product. We also have this box which contains all of the tools that we need, especially kapag gagamitin na natin yung device. We have this compact sunglasses for protecting our eyes kapag ginagamit na natin yung device. And I absolutely love this kasi it looks stylish, it's lightweight, and very compact. We also have a shaving tool, of course, and it looks like this close up. As you can see, it comes with so many blades. Very lightweight as well. And meron din siyang kasamang pouch, which is of course perfect for keeping all of these in one place, diba? And here she is, guys, the star of the show. Quality of the packaging or the actual case is amazing. Like, I have no words. Super obsessed. To open, all you have to do is pull this magnetic tab. And that's it. We have the device inside. And let's pull this one first. And this one, of course, is the warranty card. Next up, of course, we have the charger. I mean, just the charger itself, diba? Look at that. Super stunning. It feels and looks very premium. And yung details, grabe, diba? And of course, last but definitely not the least. But before that, eto muna. Let's not forget the plug that we will be using to plug the device. Comes with a super nice leather as well. Actual device comes with a plastic as well, which I appreciate para hindi magkaroon ng scratch yung actual product or device. It looks absolutely stunning. Literally a work of art. Look at that. I mean, just look at the details, diba? Button is nice, super crisp. Even this one, super crisp. At the bottom, of course, we have the adapter area and I love how clean and simple it is. And then, of course, on top, we have the light head. Very lightweight as well, which I appreciate kasi it's super comfortable to hold and, of course, to use. As of this moment, they have total of 3 devices. Sapphire Air White IPL Hair Removal Handset, Sapphire Air Plus Light Green IPL Hair Removal Handset, and Sapphire Air Plus Dark Green IPL Hair Removal Handset, which I own. And just in case you guys are wondering what is the difference between the 3 devices, nandito yung difference nila. Yung cutting grade and light transmittance na binibigay nitong Sapphire Light Window. And if flash ko na lang siya sa screen. To start, clean the treatment area and use a razor to shave off the hair in need of care. And of course, make sure that your skin is completely dry before applying or using the device. Step 2, connect the power cord to the adapter and insert the plug into a power outlet. Step 3, short press the on-off button on the side of the hose to turn on the device. This device has 5 intensity levels by the way, and to adjust it, all you have to do is press the on and off button. Step 4, goggle up to protect your eyes. Step 5, place the light outlet on the skin to be treated and apply it vertically. Then after that, just press the flash button to start the hair removal process. The hair removal sensor light will light up to indicate that it is fully in contact. Aside from facial hair, you can also use this to remove hair on your legs and even arms, which is amazing because it means that the product is versatile and can be used on different parts of the body. And just an FYI, if the white light is not turned on, it means that the lamp head is not completely attached to the skin, which of course leads for the instrument to not emit light, so keep that in mind. Of course, at the end of the day, kayo pa din yung masusunod, but yung suggested use dito is for first month, 3 times a week. During second and third month, twice a week naman siya. Then after that, para sa mga succeeding months after nung third month, kahit once or twice a month na lang. One thing I love about this device compared sa mga ibang devices and also other ways ng pag-remove ng hair is that this one doesn't have any side effects, making it such an amazing and also hassle-free device to use. This device doesn't hurt at all. Eto kasing sa Ulike, meron silang patented technology which is yung cooling sapphire, which makes it pain-free because once it touches the skin, meron siyang cooling effect. Wala kayong mafe-feel na kahit anong uncomfortable, as in malamig lang siya sa skin. And again, like I've said kanina sa intro, this is just an introduction about the product and yung aking initial thoughts. And rest assured na magkakaroon pa ako ng update video about this one kasi talagang continuous ko siyang gagamitin. Because again, I'm not really fond of having facial hair, as in, I don't like it at all. Initial thoughts about the product, of course, design-wise, it looks really, really good. Very classy and professional looking. It is also very lightweight, which I appreciate kasi it makes it easier to use or hassle-free. And of course, the best part is that it is painless to use. I really love that once this touches your skin, yung mafe-feel nyo lang is yung cooling effect para ka nagdidikit ng ice sa skin. Specifically on levels 1 and 2. But when it comes sa levels 3, 4, and 5, actually once it touches the skin, may mafe-feel kayong slight pitik. Almost like a tingling sensation but for a few seconds lang naman. So basically, instead of feeling any pain, what this do is that it cools down the skin so that you don't feel any burning sensation. But one thing I noticed after using this device actually is that parang mas naging slow yung pagtubo ng hair. Wala kasi ibang ginagamit sa face ko, guys, as in I feel like this is definitely the reason, which makes me super happy. So yeah, overall, I'm super happy to have this and to own one of this kasi diba kung ikukumpara natin siya sa salon, definitely a great value for money and super smart investment. Most especially if you have other people in your household that also want to get rid of facial hair or body hair. No need to schedule and travel as well. At the comfort of your home, you can use this anytime you want. Can be used on multiple body parts. And also, permanent yung hair removal niya, especially if continuous yung paggamit. And that's it, guys, for my unboxing, introduction, and also initial thoughts on this device. By the way, this Ulike device is available sa Shopee, kaya if you want to check this one out, of course, just click the link in my bio. And ilalagay ko na lang sa screen yung discount code and also freebies that you will get if you purchase this one.